So first we have to differentiate between separating method for insoluble solids in liquid and soluble solids in liquid. Methods for separating insoluble solids in liquid like sand in water are sedimentation followed by decantation and filtration, whereas these methods cannot be used for separating soluble solids from liquid like salt from water. Evaporation can be used for separating soluble solids from liquid. First, sedimentation and decantation. The settling down of insoluble substance is called sedimentation and the substance is called sediment. So here we can see this is the sediment. The process of pouring out of liquid without disturbing the sediment is called decantation. So this part is sedimentation and this part is the decantation. Now filtration. Filtration is a method of separating insoluble solid components from a liquid by passing them through a filter paper. So this is a filter paper that is folded and made a cone and set in a funnel. The substance that remains in the filter paper is called the residue. So here the residue is obtained and the substance that flows through the filter paper is called the filtrate. So the clear water is the filtrate. The evaporation. It works by boiling away the water while leaving the soluble solid. The solid is left behind as a residue when the liquid evaporates. So this is the solid that may be a salt and this is the evaporation of water. Then we have to differentiate between threshing and winnowing. So what is threshing? It is a process of separating the grain from the stalks and husks, typically done by beating the plants to loosen the grains. Winnowing is the process occurs after threshing and involves separating the chaff, that is the husks and the debris from the grain, often using wind to blow away the lighter chaff. In summary, threshing is about removing the grain from the plant and winnowing is about cleaning the grain from the unwanted material. So this is threshing and this is winnowing. Now we have to differentiate between sedimentation and decantation. The main difference between sedimentation and decantation is that sedimentation is the overall process of solid settling to the bottom of a liquid due to gravity, whereas decantation is the separation of liquid from the solid by carefully pouring off the liquid, leaving the sediment behind. So this is sediment, this is sedimentation, and this is pouring out the liquid and we getting the clear water. So this is the decantation process. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.